Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Junior Easy Maths Classes. Today we'll start with chapter 1 of class 3rd, Where to Look From. I hope you have seen the previous lectures of class 4 chapter 1. Okay, then let's get started. So the chapter basically talks about the different views of an object. So let's start with the NCERT pages. As you can see on the first page of NCERT, there are two images of a car. One of the car is made by Dheeraj and another one is made by Anshul. So if you see the car of Dheeraj, it's look like a rectangle inside and outside also a rectangle. But if you see a car made by Anshul, it's show the proper car and it's called a side view. And this is known as the top view. Basically, if we see these things, everything has different views from which we can see. A view can be a top view or a side view or a front view. A side view can be seen by a person standing along the object, and a top view is seen by a person of standing above the object. If you see a car from the front side, you may see that the car basically looks like this, which I'm drawing on the screen. It can be a front side of a car. But if you see it from a side view, you may see it looks like a plain sheet with a design. But if you see it from the top, it looks like a just a rectangle. Coming to the next example, we have another example of a table. So you might have seen this many a times at your home, that when you look at a table which is present in your home, a dining table, if you look at the top, it looks like just a rectangle. But if you look it from the side, it looks like a table properly. Or if you look it from the front view, it just looks like this. Okay, I hope you're getting my point. So moving on to the next part, we have many images of a pressure cooker, of a sleeper, of a watermelon and a cupboard. It looks all these objects I have marked from this image. But if you see the top view of these objects, you may see just different simple shapes like a circle, a rectangle, a star and another rectangle. But if you see it from the side view, you may see a proper object. But these are not only the views which you can see. There is another view also called as front view. Okay, then let's get started with the next page. Practice time. On the second page, NCERT talks about a question like a cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? If you see the classroom and the cat is standing here, this cat is seeing the classroom from which view? Approximately, it's the top view. Yes, and there are many students sitting in the classroom. I hope it is visible to all of you. So this is a cat which I'm talking about, and this is the classroom. If you see this class, this is the teacher because she is standing in the center of the class, and these are all the students. So if a cat looks it from the top window, she'll find that a teacher is standing over here. A teacher is standing over here. She is the teacher of the class. Okay, let's begin for the next question. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look at these things this way. As I already told you, there are three views to see an object. Repeat it after me. Top view, side view, and the front view. So now just find out of from these images what do these images say. See, this questions come here. Here are some pictures. So first picture is of staircase. The another picture is also of a staircase. Now you need to find out which is the front view, which is the side view, and which is the top view. So let's begin our task. See, this is a image of a staircase. Do you find a proper image of the stairs which you see at your home? No, it shows a simple figure of a triangle. If you see it from this way, it looks like a triangle. That means it's a side view. Fill it in your NCRTs. It is a side view. Okay, coming on to the next picture. You may see it from the front or from the top. You may think it's at the top view, but if you see a plant here, it not look from the bush, it is with the pot. That means this is the front view of a staircase. Very nice. Okay, then we have the third image with us. It looks like a rectangle. So what do you think which view it would be? Yes, it is a simple shape of an object. And in which view you see the shape? In the side view. Then the third option is also a side view. It's the side view. Yes, coming on to the fourth part. Did you see this chair? What do you think this chair can be? In which view you are seeing this picture? Do you think it's a top view? Because according to me, top view would look like this. Or just like this. And it can't be top view. If you see it from the front view, the chair would look like this. But we just see only two arms of the chair. That means it is the side view. Next picture is of a pencil which you are using. If you take the nib of the pencil and see it, what do you think which view it is? Yes, correct. It's the top view. Next picture is of a bus. What do you think which view it is? Yes, you are right. It's again a side view because we can see only half part of an object. That means it is a side view. Well done all of you. You did a great job. Okay, next question. Draw top views of a few things and ask your friends to guess what they are. Now I will draw a few things and you need to guess what these pictures are. Okay. So this is a picture of a toffee. This is a picture of a bottle. And this third picture is of a pencil box. Now you need to tell me which view is this one. Draw it in your NCRT book and write the views. At this point I end my lecture here. In the next lecture we will do further pages of NCRT book. Thank you. If you like my lecture, put a thumbs up.